Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Fonts for consistent typography across campaigns, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you don't already have an Adobe account, you'll need to create one. Click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. Select Create an account if you don't have an existing account. Fill in the required information and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Adobe Fonts homepage. Explore the available font options or use the search bar to find specific fonts. When you find a font you like, click on it to view more details. Here, you can see the font style, weights, and usages. If it suits your project, click on the Activate button. Your selected font will now be added to your font library. To access your activated fonts, go to the My Adobe Fonts section. Here, you can manage your fonts and see which ones are activated. To use the fonts in your projects, make sure you are signed in to your Adobe Creative Cloud account. Open your design software, such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. In the Text tool, you can now search for and select your activated Adobe fonts. By subscribing to Adobe Fonts, you ensure consistent typography across all your campaigns. Make sure to regularly check the Adobe Fonts library for new additions. This will help keep your designs fresh and aligned with your brand identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.